Hey, this is Mike at Total Hearth, and today I just wanted to show you how to put the glass in a Fuego Flame fireplace door set. Sometimes this glass was ceramic, like I'm showing here, and sometimes it was tempered, been broken in little pieces. So to do this, you're going to need a drill and drill bit, your gloves, safety glasses, rivet, and a rivet gun. And the first thing you want to do is, after you take the doors out, they just lift it up and come off, is drill the rivets out. So typically an 1/8" drill bit works pretty good. And here I'm just showing you I'm drilling the rivets out. And once I get all 4 rivets out, there's 2 on the top and 2 in the bottom. The frame comes apart pretty easily. Now, when you take this apart, just keep in mind there's pieces inside of it. That piece there is like a door stop when the 2 doors come together to makes them line up right. And then there's 2 metal pieces inside that are used as stops, and I'll explain that here in a second. Now I'm just preparing the glass. This is ceramic glass, which is we highly recommend for these. And I'm putting the gasket all the way around it. It's a flat glass tape gasket, and it's sticky on one side. Here I'm just showing that door stop inside there, and I'm setting the glass in there, so I got it prepared. These pieces here are hollow, and they're shaped like a U, and they go on the top and the bottom. And what they're for is so when I put the rivets back in, the rivets don't hit the glass. So here I'm putting the rivet back in on the top, snapping that in place. And you can't really tell here, but I'm squeezing pretty hard when I'm putting that in there. Here I'm pinching the glass frame together because that gasket will make it a little bit puffy. There you go, and I'm push that one in there. And now I'm doing the last one. I got to squeeze it pretty good, put the rivet in, and pop that rivet. And that'll be it for that door. So on the next piece, I'm going to prepare the glass first. Here I got our glass tape gasket. I peel it off. Now I usually start about the middle of the bottom, and I just pull off about 5-6 inches at a time. And on the corners, I pull it pretty tight, so I have a nice sweeping corner and it lays down nice. For the rest of it, I do it pretty relaxed. I'm not pulling on it, just when I'm sweeping those corners. I pinch that all the way around, and then when I get back to that back side and I meet up with the other edge, I'm going to cut that off some real sharp scissors. That works really well. Pinch it down in place. Then I'm going to put that glass in the frame and put those U-shaped pieces on the top and bottom again. Putting the frame back together. It's kind of like a picture frame. And then here I'm just finding my rivets. I'm going to put them in. This is on the bottom side. I'm putting the rivets in, and I got to push it together pretty good because, like I said, that gasket makes it a little bit puffy inside there. So I'm just squeezing it together. Not too hard, but just hard enough to get the frame to lay down. Put the first rivet in. Now I'm working on the second one. This one goes pretty good. And if I remember correctly, the top one on one of these, I fight a little bit, and I'll show you what you have to do here. The holes just weren't lining up just right. So I have to squeeze it together, and I'm just tapping on it real lightly with the end of my gun to tap that rivet down into place so it lays down in there. There you go. Now I got it. Now I'm popping that rivet. And then that last rivet, basically the same thing. I'm going to have to squeeze that together, get that rivet to lay down in there the way it's supposed to, and then pop that rivet in. And that's pretty much it on these. Once you do that, then it's just a matter of putting the doors back in place.